There is nothing more frustrating than finding wrinkles and indentations on a freshly pressed fabric. But traditional irons and heat presses often miss hard-to-reach spots around collars, buttons, and drawstrings. Whether it's heat press projects or everyday ironing, these Teflon pressing pillows by Amazing Creations will make ironing difficult items a thing of the past. Not only do they provide heat protection for vinyl and craft projects, they also safeguard work surfaces from burns and other damage. The pack comes with 4 different sized pillows, plus as a bonus you get 2 Teflon sheets and 1 roll of Teflon tape. For ironing, just place the item on top of the pillow and iron as usual. As you can see here, you get no creases and the wrinkles fade away quickly and easily. These heat transfer pillows are heat resistant, fire resistant, waterproof, and able to withstand up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So stop making ironing a chore and order your Amazing Creations heat press pillows today.